I love to use the toilet while looking for a large lawn. Haha. Guys, I've got a new house. Let me show you my new home. This is 665 of the latest series of Coachman, a dual axle caravan. Why did I buy motorhomes which had the chassis and the berth? Because I thought there are problems of the caravan. Without a car, it can't move or be charged. Second, not enough water. Third, a motorhome cannot be connected to the dragging system. Then the mover was invented, but it was too heavy and outdated to use. Now, I've got the latest one. What is it? Truma's 4-engine mover with 4 wheels. You may control it to move the van remotely. This is a play for 2 gas tanks. This vehicle has dual energy resources. Its fridge and heating can be driven by propane. Certainly, if I connect the 3.3 kilowatt front vehicle to this one through V2L, it will have endless electricity. So you don't have to worry about its power. That was why I dared to buy this caravan. Here is the power socket. Whether you use an external power or new energy V2L, you will use it to plug in. Here's your favorite part. It's a black water tank of 20 liters, which may contain 20 liters of your excrement. I can use it for a week. How long can you? Here's a filler. You may connect a gas tank to there. This is where you can output power. Alright, guys, let's go inside.
Wow!
Buy a living room and get a caravan for free. Look at its living room, so bright. The feelings of home. If you buy a closed RV, is that a home? It's a cage. Let me show you some details. When the door is closed, you can feel its damping. The couches can be combined into a bed. The lighter part is over there. There's no problem for 2 adults to sleep on it. Pull it up and it's a sunshade. Put it down and it's a screen window. There are 2 tables. The first is here. Pull it to pop it up. Press down to push it inside. Here's a dinner table. Look. Put it in the middle. It's a bright mood. When you close it at night, the warm color strip light offers a home environment. The cooking area, my wife's favorite. First, its broad can be prolonged in this way. Press a door like this and open it. Basket inside. Very convenient. This is a lock. Push it upwards and unlock it and lock it. Can't be drawn out now. The water is provided by a 30-liter tank modified by me, but I don't think it's enough. I may add one more to it. It's a microwave oven up there. The cooking bench is funny. This is an electric cooker, which can heat any kind of pots. The 3 holes are connected to the propane tank. There are 4 stovetop burners in this caravan, which are enough for cooking. What's under it, foreigners' favorite? A big oven and a small one. The Chinese don't use it too often, but is installed here and can't be changed. So it's a waste of space, what a shame. A 138-liter fridge, the freezer up here and the storage chamber down here. There's another merit of automatic fridge. It can be opened on both sides. Then it's a critical system on my vehicle. The power management of 5 kilowatt-hours modified by HanLu, which includes battery. The interface of HanLu is modern and high-tech, which can be controlled by a phone remotely through Wi-Fi. You may know its electricity. HanLu is definitely the bellwether of the modification market, like electricity management and replacement. The operations are quite neat. What's behind the door is my favorite, second only to the living room. An isolated dry and wide separation washing area. This is a radiator and towel rack. You may dry your clothes on it. This is a toilet which can be turned. Then you will have more space when you sit here. I love to use the toilet while looking for a large lawn. Haha. Then let's check it out. When can the RV separate the wet from the dry? But this one does can. I love this area. A giant clothes rack, a place you can put in many clothes. As for the rear bed area, I have chosen a 2-bed type, which makes it a standard room. An orthopedic back frame too. You just need mattresses for it. The storage? There are places for storage everywhere. What if you want to watch TV? Check it out. Plug it in, fix the TV set on it, then you're ready to watch it. Since it's a large caravan, if you close the door of the bedroom and the door of the living room is also closed, you can do anything we like. I may fart here, and you may snore there, without disturbing each other. I'll keep telling you how I'm going to use it. Here's a question. If I give 500,000, will you travel in this caravan of 13 square meters, or buy a house of 1 square meters in your county?